Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diabetic clippers is probably one of the most important tools for managing diabetes, and it's crucial to choose the right pair to prevent ingrown toenails, infections, and other foot complications. This video will guide you through the essential features to look for when selecting diabetic nail clippers, ensuring you make an informed decision to maintain healthy feet and prevent potential health issues. Number 5. Nail Clipper Set. It's designed to cradle your fingers, giving you more control and confidence when clipping your nails. Enjoy a comfortable and easy clipping experience. With its hand-sharpened stainless steel blades, it cuts thick nails smoothly and easily. Say goodbye to struggling with tough nails. It comes in a handy zippered pouch, perfect for tossing in your bag and taking it with you wherever you go. Always have perfectly manicured nails, no matter where you are. This set includes both large and small clippers, providing the right tool for fingernails and toenails. Minimize the risk of spreading nail fungus with this precise tool. Looking for a practical and stylish gift? This set is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their hands and feet looking neat and tidy. It's a gift they'll actually use and appreciate. What we like? It's designed for comfortable and easy use, with hand-sharpened stainless steel blades for smooth cuts. If you're looking for a portable and precise clipper set for both fingernails and toenails, this is the one for you. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you always have a reliable nail care tool on hand. Number 4. Huing Podiatrist Toenail Clippers. It's specially designed with a sharp curved blade, making cutting ingrown and thick nails easier than ever before. Experience a comfortable and efficient nail trimming experience. These clippers are crafted from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, ensuring they're rust-resistant and built to last. Enjoy long-lasting durability and reliable performance. Unlike single-spring clippers, it features an upgraded double-spring mechanism. This provides a smoother cutting action and extends its lifespan. The handle is made from comfortable, non-slip ABS material. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm, comfortable grip for effortless cutting. These clippers are easy to clean and maintain, making them a sustainable and hygienic choice for long-term use. Enjoy a long-lasting solution for your nail care needs. These professional clippers are perfect for everyone, especially men and seniors with thick or ingrown toenails. Get salon-quality results at home. What we like? This clipper boasts a specially designed curved blade, perfect for thick and ingrown nails. If you have thick or ingrown toenails and need a durable, long-lasting solution, this is your best bet. Its high-quality construction ensures it will stand the test of time. What people say? The sharp curved blade is specifically tailored for tackling those pesky ingrown nails with ease. Made from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, these clippers are not only durable but also rust-resistant. The updated handle design is a stroke of genius. Crafted from ABS material, it provides a non-slip grip that feels comfortable in hand, allowing for precise and controlled cutting without any slipping or discomfort. The blades are very sharp and I like how the thick plastic handles gave me a good grip. I was able to cut through all the toenails, even the big toe, with ease. Number 3. Softale Toenail Clipper Kit. Introducing a heavy-duty nail clipper designed for safe and easy trimming of thick or ingrown toenails. Its curved blade and ergonomic handle make it perfect for seniors and anyone with nail challenges. This clipper features a wide jaw and sharp, durable AUS 34 steel blade. It's designed to effortlessly cut even the toughest toenails with minimal effort. It's not just a clipper, it's a complete 6-piece kit. This includes tools to help with ingrown nails, cuticle care, and nail shaping, providing a comprehensive solution for healthy nails. The rubberized handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, preventing slips and ensuring safe use. The large opening easily accommodates even the thickest nails. This set comes in an elegant gift box, making it an ideal present for any occasion. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like? It includes multiple tools to address various nail care needs, from trimming to filing. If you need a comprehensive kit that covers all your nail care needs and comes with a lifetime warranty, this is the perfect choice. You'll have everything you need for a complete at-home pedicure. What people say? Well made, perfect for what I needed. The case is nice and easy to store, good variety of tools. The files for getting the corners of the nails, both finger and toes, are just as good as the file and do a good job removing the edges. The fingernail clippers are sharp and make short work of cutting my nails, are solid feeling, and open wide enough to clip my toenails too. The toenail clipper is comfortable to handle, cut well, and the angle of the cutting blades are convenient for getting the sides of the toenail. Plus the case is convenient to keep everything together for the next time I need them. This set is very well made and works well, the first clippers I have ever seen that actually cut thick or difficult toenails. Number 2. Senior Nail Clipper Kit. This kit is designed to make nail care easier and more comfortable for seniors. It includes everything you need for a perfect manicure or pedicure at home. It features a Podiatrist designed clipper, a rotating head clipper, a wide jaw clipper, and a smoothing file. All are perfect for thick or tough toenails. The extra wide jaw opening makes it easy to trim even the thickest toenails. Its surgical grade blades effortlessly cut through tough nails. These clippers have a long handle design that requires less grip strength. They're easy to use for both right and left-handed individuals. Made from surgical grade stainless steel with precision honed blades, they'll stay sharp for years. It's an investment in comfortable, long-term nail care. This kit makes a practical and caring gift for seniors or anyone who wants salon-quality nail care at home. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. What we like. This kit offers a variety of tools to tackle even the toughest nails, with an extra wide jaw opening for easy access. If you need a heavy-duty clipper that's easy on the hands and built to last, this is it. The thoughtful design makes nail care easier for seniors and people with arthritis. What people say. These nail clippers are working fabulous for me and my thick toenails. Just be careful because they are very sharp and powerful. These clippers are very easy to use and they are sturdy. I was surprised by how easy and durable they were. The clippers cut the nails effortlessly. Now the cuticle clippers are no joke, so be careful, they are super sharp. Number 1. Easy Grip 360 Rotary Nail Clipper Set. This set makes nail care easier and more comfortable. It includes a rotating head clipper and a wide jaw clipper, perfect for all your nail trimming needs. Its extra wide opening easily accommodates large, thick nails. The sharp blades ensure a clean, pain-free cut every time. The rotating head helps you find the perfect angle, while the long handles provide a comfortable, secure grip. Less pressure is needed for cutting. It's especially beneficial for those with arthritis or diabetes, making nail care simple and manageable. The design reduces strain and discomfort. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these clippers are built to last a lifetime. They are the perfect solution for thick toenails. Give the gift of comfortable and easy nail care. This set is a thoughtful present for loved ones who appreciate convenience and quality. What we like. It features a rotating head and wide jaw for easy access and precise trimming, even at difficult angles. If you have difficulty with grip or need to trim nails at various angles, this set is designed for you. Its innovative design makes nail care simple and comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.